In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bonus money in OneXBet SINHALA. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a OneXBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to buy email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. First, if you are at your country of SINHALA, by coming in your OneXBet normally, you're just going to put your amount of money at the first deposit of account after putting your promo code and validating. Now you are going to click here on the electronic purse. You will see that at this level down on the main account, you will see the bonus account, where you're going to click for the bonus account so as for it to be your main account, thereby putting a considerable amount of money after your first deposit. Now, is that money or the bonus money that will be used? You are going now to come at the level of popular here to select matches. If I should select, for example, this match, I should select Paris Saint-Germain versus Havre. You are going now to select what you want to win or you want to play so as to win for it. I should take, for example, win 2 here. I'm going to click on win 2. Now you are going to put now your amount of money as an example, thereby clicking on bet. Now this will not be finished here. You are going to come out here. If you are sure that and sure again that you are going to win this match, you will come now and click on menu here. After winning, you are just going to wait for about 30 days so that the wagering requirements will all be filled. And now it's from here now that we are going now to remove your amount of money just by clicking on settings. By clicking now on settings, just at the level of withdraw from account. Now, depending on the withdrawal funds that are available at the level of SINHALA, you're going now to select which fits best for you so as to remove your amount of money after I've done that. And it is as simple as that.